SCOTUS steps into dispute over protecting citizens' rights.
This is Dr. David Shine, and welcome to Business Law 101.
The Supreme Court stepped into a dispute in the case of Priscilla Villarreal versus Isidoro Alanis et al. The case involved the interpretation of an important statute that allows for redress if personal rights are violated by a public representative like a police officer. The statutory section is 42 U.S.C. 1983. So the lead character in this case is Laredo, Texas journalist Priscilla Villarreal, who is known as Gordiloca. In 2017, Villarreal had published two news reports based on tips from local citizens, one that named a U.S. Border Patrol agent who died by suicide, and a second relaying information about a fatal traffic crash and a Usenet family that was hurt in the accident. For both, she reached out to a Laredo police officer who confirmed the information before the stories were published to her Facebook page. Incredibly, months later, Villarreal was arrested for allegedly violating a state law that makes it a felony for a person to solicit or receive information from a government official that has not yet been made public, if it is with the intent to obtain a benefit. Note this, in the statute's 23 years, it has never been enforced prior to this incident. She surrenders to the police. The criminal charges were dismissed after a local judge ruled the law itself was unconstitutionally vague. She then sued the police and prosecutors behind her arrest, arguing her First, Fourth, and 14th Amendment rights were violated. The officials sought to turn out the case, claiming that they had qualified immunity. The district court and eventually the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals sided with the officials. However, the case moved on to the Supreme Court, which recently vacated the lower court rulings. Now, Villarreal will get her day in court against the officials. J.T. Morris, an attorney with the Foundation for Individual Rights and Expression, which is representing Villarreal, stated, "This case is vital for free speech, free press, and ensuring officials are accountable when they trample the First Amendment." This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.